In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add legal pages in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want your website to look more professional and trustworthy, adding legal pages is an important step. These pages help explain your policies clearly to visitors and can be especially useful if you sell products, collect customer information, or offer services online. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to create the three most common legal pages: a privacy policy, a refund policy, and terms and conditions. To begin, open your Hostinger account and log in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website you want to work on. From there, click on Website so you can access the site management area. This is where you'll find the tools needed to make changes to your site. Next, click Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder editor, where you can manage your site's content, layout, and pages. Give it a moment to load fully so everything is visible and easy to access. Once you're in the editor, click on Pages. This section shows all the pages currently on your website and allows you to create new ones. Since we're adding legal pages, the next step is to click Add Page. Now you can start creating the first legal page. Add a page called Privacy Policy. Make sure the page name is typed clearly, since this is what may appear in your site structure or navigation, depending on your settings. Then enter the other necessary details for the page and click Add Page. After that, save your changes so the page is properly created. Once the privacy policy page is done, repeat the same process to add the other two pages. Create one page called Refund Policy and then another called Terms and Conditions. For each one, enter the page name, fill in any required details, click Add Page, and save when finished. Taking a moment to name each page correctly will help keep your website organized and make these pages easier for visitors to find. After all three pages have been added and saved, the final step is to click Update Website. This publishes your changes and makes the new pages live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added your legal pages in Hostinger Website Builder. As a quick tip, after updating your website, it's a good idea to double-check that each page appears correctly and is accessible where you want it. Keeping these pages in place helps your website look more complete, credible, and ready for visitors.